going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be replacing the battery, but first let me show you what we got going on inside. So I already know the car needs a new battery because it's the original battery, but also when you get this message up on your iDrive system, see if it comes up. There you go. Vehicle battery charge low. Can you see that? Before we replace the battery, I'm gonna hook up BimmerLink and see what the percentage is of the battery that's currently in there. So what I'm using is this V-Peak adapter. And then I'm gonna put in accessory mode and launch the BimmerLink app. So we got Beamer Code and BimmerLink. Beamer Code is more for coding the car, like if you want your mirrors to fold, your different animation on there. They got a lot of different things you can change, but for this we need BimmerLink. See, connected.
12-volt battery.
It keeps turning off. I think we're gonna turn the car on.
25%.
25%. All right, so once we get the new battery installed, we'll come back and we'll register the new battery. So make sure you have the key outside the car. So first of all, hopefully you know the battery's in the trunk. And do not close your trunk.
There's a chance that you may not be able to get it open.
Once you get the battery out, yep. Never know. All right, so first thing to do is actually take that cover out. So there's these plastic little nuts right there. I already took them out. They're 10 millimeter. Just threw them out on there. And then we got to get this piece out. But in order to get that out, we have to take this off. So there are only some push pins. Got a little pry kit here. And there's 4 of them there. This will pop right out. And then this can come out. Set that aside. All right, so first things first, we're going to take this brace off.
It's probably a 13.
13?
Big little pack on that back.
Yeah. It just basically clips down.
Get that unscrew that.
Yeah, we gotta unscrew this from the battery. It's the same size. Yep. Same size, 13 millimeter. And then that comes out. And we'll pop our 10 millimeter back on. Take the negative off first. Let's see if I can, there we go. Let's do that. There we go. And then take the positive off. Just lift this cap up and it's right in there. And there's a little vent line right here. We're going to disconnect. And then there's one more 13 millimeter down here that I forgot about. It should be free.
Batteries are heavy.
Let's see here.
20-hour rate.
Yep. It's the same size as what came out.
There you go.
All right, that's in. So after that's in, you want to, let's see, does this one have a vent line? Yep, there it is right there. Put your vent line back in and just tighten everything back down. Start with the positive.
That just clips onto the battery.
Yep. Just clips right back on. Like that. And it gets screwed in as well, so. Back to the 13. It's in, and then the negative. Bzz.
Very simple.
Yep. Now we're gonna put the other screws down.
We don't even know how old this battery is. There's no, I don't see a date code on it.
It might be the original.
Yeah, but this is a 14. There's no way. Batteries usually last for like 5-ish years. So there's no way it's the original. It was probably replaced in like 2018 or something.
Maybe. So I'm just putting this bracket back on.
Now we gotta put everything back together and...
Well, I want to make sure everything is working. Get the battery registered first. And then we'll
put all this back in.
tuck it all back in, yep. Keys, phone's in the car.
It's just the battery, it's not that involved.
So let's turn her back on. Reconnect to BimmerLink. Back to battery. Register new battery. Same capacity and type, because it's 105. Register new battery. Battery state of charge 99%. My message went away. Popped up there. You see it? You
Yeah.
get it. So it said discharge, the same message as before, and as soon as it got registered, it went away. So
So cool how you can just do all that with your phone and a little Bluetooth adapter. Like you don't even need like a fancy tool.
right, you don't need a computer. Like you don't have to, you don't have to take it to the dealer to do this.
Yeah.
So
You can save a crap ton of money just doing it yourself. All the basic stuff that you know how to do, you can save a ton of money.
the only thing left to do is set the time and date again.
And BimmerLink's only like what, $30?
It's $31 for BimmerLink. Well, it was. Let's go back on here and see. If you're going to code your car, we'll do other videos with that as far as, you know.
I assume that they're made by the same company. Yes. They have the same logo.
Yep, they're made by the same company, but they just do different features. So like BimmerLink, let's go back here. I primarily use it just for the, the battery, but you can go to the dashboard and you can edit and put different gauges in. Let's see, like your different sensor values. Let's see here, your oil pressure valve. I believe your mass airflow sensor you can put in there. We used that on the 535 series when we were comparing the different intakes.
Yep.
Remember that? So you can add that on, just different gauges that you can add, which is
what really interests me was this right here. Exhaust flap.
Oh yeah. Should you just leave it open all the time?
Open.
You want to see what it sounds like? You want to see what the difference is?
Hit close and see if we can hear it.
Hit close. Start the car?
No.
Why?
Because the garage door's closed.
It's not like we're going to stay in here.
So what? I wouldn't start it, because then it might seep through the ceiling and go in the house.
It's not like we're going to leave the car running forever.
Leave it open.
Leave it open?
I would leave it open.
Okay, let's leave it open.
That's kind of cool. You could do service reset. All that comes in handy.
Yeah.
I didn't even know you could do all that.
It's pretty cool.
So when you do the oil change, you could do a service reset on it.
Exactly. We could do that too. What's this? ASD. I gotta see what that is. That's on. But Beamer code's totally different. We'll get into that in a different video. but it's pretty cool tool too. So going back to Evan's question, how much does it cost? So open up the App Store. I believe it's like $31.95, something like that. Let's see here. Beamer.
It probably won't tell you.
Beamer.
You already have it downloaded.
It should. If you go to about.
Even look, this app is worth every penny.
Yep. Does it say it anywhere? I believe it's like $31, $32, something like that. And then BimmerLink, they're $32 each. So that's what they were when I downloaded it, when I originally downloaded it. But it's not telling me how much it is now. So
comment down below how much it costs now. But it's definitely worth every penny. Highly suggest getting it.
Yep. So that's that. So let's go back into the app. You want to make sure you disconnect before unplugging. Disconnect. Boom. Done. Turn off the car. And then you can unplug it. That's it. If you guys want one of these, I'll put a link in the description below. So that goes back in first, this insert, and then don't forget to hook up your 12 volt again. I guess we never plugged it back in when we did the diffuser. All right, and then the push pins down in here. And it's just that easy.
Don't forget the trim tool. It's that simple.
Yep. So come back here, let me show you something. Still no tags. So we just did a video. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but you gotta watch that video. We'll put a link in the description below why we still don't have a title to this car after almost 2 months. So be sure to check that video out. Hopefully we get the title soon so we can get some tags and get this thing on the road. So we're planning on doing a lot more mods to the car. I'm gonna hold off on the performance stuff for now because I wanna get tags first so we can actually test drive to make sure everything's working and get it on the road. So I don't wanna do downpipes and charge pipes or exhaust if I can't drive the car. So we do have cosmetic mods that came in that we'll do videos with because we don't need to test the car for them. So eager to get them on. Stay tuned. If you guys are new, please make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and it did help you out, please smash that like button to help us in the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to ring that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. And like always, thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.